2 phones, 1 live. It's amazing, sister. It doesn't get any better than this. Hey guys, I'm Deb. I'm your local Lorraine stylist.
Hi, I'm Karen. I'm your local DoTerra wellness advocate.
That's right. So we are coming live, ladies and gentlemen, because, well, we can, really. And we've got a little bit of fun for you guys to enjoy with us, don't we, Karen?
Yes, we do.
Yes, so we're going to go along and have... Oh, Karen's already got somebody watching. How cool is that? Where are you people for Deb G? Oh my gosh, it's not even a competition. Karen, you've got 1 person. You're awesome. Hey, how good is this chick? All right, so we're going to be a little bit tricky. Oh, now I have 1 as well.
Yay.
Hey, guys. So I'm here with my friend Karen and the shop in Allmuller Street. So we did have an event planned, didn't we, Karen?
Yes, we did.
We did. And it's just me and you, baby.
Yeah.
And our friends here on Facebook. Hi.
So we thought we would bring it to you.
That's right.
So today we're going to be talking about active towels.
Active towels?
What
Tell
does
me
that
more.
mean?
Well, yes, tell me more. Tell me more. Oh my God, active towels.
So first,
let's just unhook ourselves, shall we?
Okay.
All right. Now we're going to be turning our cameras around, like so. Oh, look at that. And Karen, I'm going to hold yours.
Okay.
Oh, and I'm going to step back here. So, how good is this? Oh, look, Deb G's got 3. So I'm going to get Karen to jump right in there. So, Karen, tell us all about this.
Did I jump in there?
Well, you did. We might have to try that again. There she is. There she is. All right. So what have we got here, Karen?
Okay, so we're going to talk about the DoTerra Wellness Active Box.
Yep.
And the reason we're going to talk about that is because we might be a little bit active later.
Woohoo!
Okay. So now this is not going to be a full-on presentation, so it's just going to have little snippets.
That's good.
So,
Snippets are great.
if you're still going to the gym, or if you're exercising at home, but you can't find that motivation, then this is the oil that you need. And it's called Motivate. So this is to give you a little up the bum to get you started.
So a metaphoric foot near the bottom area to give you a bit of a boot along. Oh, okay, all right, yeah. Well, we did. Hello, Miss Wendy Topel. How are you, darlings? Good to see you.
We've got motivation in the hands. And a couple of little personal diffuses of that into your nostrils. And that should really assist you in getting on some music.
Yep.
Pumping it up a little.
Yep.
And start that little baby roll.
Oh, that is so cool. What else we got?
So we've got the peppermint beadlets.
Oh, they're my favourite. Hey, Jana. Up. Can we all see those?
That beautiful little pearl?
Oh, Karen's obviously got the better phone with more, is it, pixels?
So the peppermint. Put it into your mouth. You can actually, if you're anything like me, I just squeeze it till it bursts and go and get that peppermint right in my head. And again, that really helps you to focus, helps you to get a little bit of more stimulation happening.
Yeah.
So that you can do that little workout. So whether it's a bit of yoga, whether it's a bit of stretching, whether it's a walk around the block, whether it's still going to the gym and joining our friend Mary at Happy Pain, then
Hey, Mary.
that would be great, you know. But what happens after you've done all your exercise? You're feeling a little bit
Stiff.
Yeah.
Yep.
You know, your
Yep.
age is kind of creeping in there. You don't want to admit it, but it does.
What do we have?
We have, personally, this is my favourite.
Right.
So, ice glue rub, and what I do is I just have like, you only need like pinky. You don't need much at all. So, little bit of ice glue rub. You add a little bit of copper
Sorry, how do you pronounce that?
Copaiba.
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 Beautiful.
So, and the reason for the iba is because this comes from Brazil. So that's how they pronounce that, iba.
Ah.
So you can put a drop of copaiba in your water, your juice, your tea, any time of the day. Copaiba is great for inflammation, but did you know that you can put it in your moisturizer and it really helps with that really beautiful, clear, smooth skin.
That would explain why Karen's got the most beautiful skin.
So that's copaiba. So for a little bit of extra into your ice blue rub, I always put 1 drop of copaiba.
Okay.
And I usually put 1 drop of wintergreen or ice blue, you know, so whichever, you know, you want to be using. So a little drop of wintergreen, copaiba, your ice blue rub, and then you just do your little bit of, you know, rubbing that into your little body and getting that beautiful, warm sensation into the muscles.
Yep, very good.
So the other 2 oils that are left in the wellness box is eucalyptus and lemongrass. Eucalyptus. In the shower, couple of drops, either in your hand, couple of drops in the shower, and as the water falls, the aroma of the eucalyptus actually comes in the shower.
Yep.
Also great for cleaning. Lemongrass and eucalyptus together. Lemongrass and eucalyptus together, and what you can do is you can put that into a spray bottle. You can use that to wipe down your benches and stuff like that, you know, because this is antibacterial. Lemongrass is also antibacterial, and I love.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. She loves her lemongrass, I must say, and the lemongrass is lovely in a bit of stir fry too, isn't it, Karen?
Oh, yes. So a chicken Asian stir fry, which is one of my favourite dishes to make. Lemongrass, yum. Just heightens that flavour, absolutely delicious. Also, if you're a bit like me and you don't really like cleaning the house much, you know, it's just like that.
I'm hearing you, sister. Picking up what you're putting down.
Drops of lemongrass into your diffuser.
Yeah?
And before you know it, you're up and you're going.
With the vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, I might just give that a little wash down. I might just do this. It gets you to clean your house.
Oh my God.
And when you clean your house with lemongrass, the house smells absolutely amazing.
Beautiful.
So, that is the Active Wellness box. If you want more information on this, or you would like to come and have a chat, or you would like to chat with me, please message me or comment on our Facebook Live. Feel it all. So, I know feeling a bit hot and sticky. So
Quick. What are you going to do, Karen? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Because I might need a really...
One live. Sorry, I turned myself off apparently.
Hi guys, I'm Jen.
Oh.
I'm your local
It's alright, we're going. We got you. Go!
So, I just wanted to introduce so that I can give you a beautiful Lorraine Lea towel, and Deb G is going to talk about these beautiful towels, how great they are, and a very special offer just for you.
Oh, thank you, lovely. So,
Oh well, we'll have to share this one then.
we will have to share with that's alright. So I am Deb G, your local Lorraine Leland stylist, and yes, I am based here in Cairns. However, I do travel. Let's just say I do travel, so it's okay. And now, due to the light of everything happening, and I just had this great idea, Karen, so thank you. do wash my kit, so anything that is touched, especially nowadays, I do actually go along and give it a quick little wash. But I'm just thinking that lemongrass,
Oh, yeah.
my God, that would be amazing.
And eucalyptus.
Okay. Exactly, and it's antibacterial and everything else, which ticks all my boxes. But yeah, so let's jump in.
Woohoo!
Alright, so now, ladies and gentlemen, we've got our beautiful Cooper towels. Now, as you can see, this gorgeous rose of colour.
Whoa. Oh, now they're a bit gorgeous.
These are the colour ranges for your Lorraine linen toweling. These are our Cooper towels. Now, Cooper towels are lovely, soft and thick and thirsty. Nothing like because I'm quite, doesn't matter about me. That's okay. So we do have a variety of colours. So if you want to go along and have a bit of colour pop, that's cool. If you want to go along and play it safe, then that's cool too. Alright, so I'll just pop this here, back up here again. Alright, believe it or not, these are fantastic gym towels. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So imagine you go along and you're at the bench and you're doing, whatever it is that you do at the bench, I'm imagining weights, for example, push-ups. Well, hand towel, okay, is really, really fantastic. Also, if you have toddlers or bubbers, these are fantastic for baby towels as well. And they look so cute when they run around. And they do like to go along and have them wrap around like mum and dad as well, which is pretty special. Alright, now all of our Lorraine Lee towels has got something really cool. It's got a little pip tag. How cool is that? So space saving as well, which is fantastic. So yes, this is our hand towel. A little bit cute, a few uses as well. Okay? So we'll go along and pop that here. Now, this is our standard Cooper towel, and you may be wondering why I'm looking so flattering with these lines on my body, on my towel, okay? And that's to go along and make me look good, make you look great, alright? But also for quick drying, which is really fantastic up here in the tropics, isn't it? Because we do need to go along, get our towels washed with some antibacterial nowadays, hang them up, get them dry as fast as we can, so that way we can go put them back in the bathroom ready to go again. Yeah. Now, as you can see, I'm not exactly the smallest person, but I do feel completely safe when I do have the postman ringing on the door, and I just about to jump in the shower, and I can jump in without flashing anything. It's good, but the standard towel may not be your cup of tea, and that's okay because I have a bath sheet. Whoop, whoop. So, bath sheets. Oh my God. This one is amazing, alright? I need to be bigger. Seriously. This is going to wrap around me twice.
That is huge.
It is massive.
That is also a fantastic beach towel.
It is a beach towel. And as you can see, very stylish as well.
Yeah, and I love the colour, that royal purple.
Royal purple is the bomb.
It
But
is.
seriously, at the moment, if you let me know again, in the down the 20% off. Okay? So, because Karen's live worked in mine, didn't it? I will post my phone number down below with my contact details, alright? That way you can go along and get that lovely day spa feel every single day and night. And you want to be showering like I've got 4 teenage boys, and I swear to gosh, they have these towels. Can't get them out of the shower. I don't even want to think about what they're doing in there, but I know that they're going to be nice and dry because they've got the Cooper towels in there. Alright, so you may be wondering, how plush are they? Well, they're pretty plush. I think they're around 600 grams, yeah? And it's a continual cotton, yeah? So it's only single looped. It's not like looped over and over, which is fabulous. It is thick and thirsty, but one thing I do have to let you know, because I can't do my spiel without telling you this, that the deeper the colour, okay, the more it may shed. Okay, so once they settle down, it takes
Right.
10 washes because it's such
Okay.
high cotton quality.
Okay.
It is high quality cotton.
Cotton.
Cotton. Dyslexia's really kicked in.
Cotton. Cotton.
So if you have one that run, you can just go along and take some scissors out, cut it, and it won't run anymore. Yeah, because it's only that simple test, which is fabulous. So yeah, if there's any questions, comments, queries, let Karen and I know. And it's been so much fun to go along and show you a brief little display of what we do.
So we have Lorraine Lee.
We do.
Beautiful
We
towels. Beautiful bath mat, by the way, and it's huge.
Massive.
And our doTerra Wellness Active. And now we are just going to say, we love you.
We love you, cans and surrounds.
And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And thanks for being with us.
Yeah,
And
thank you.
any questions, yes, just post.
Yep, post below.
Yeah,
Post below.
Yeah, talk
All right,
below.
guys.
Chat
We'll
below.
catch you. Chat. I love chatting.
Oh, yeah.
I love talking.
Yeah, we love
talking
chatting.
is my thing.
So we're just going to have a cup of tea now.
We will. Maybe a cup of coffee.
Oh.
Sorry.
Anyway, we love you.
Bye bye.
Goodbye. See ya.